Hello darlings, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be sharing with you all how I made this delicious Nigerian jollof rice. So guys, if you want to see how I prepared this lovely delicacy, do not go away, keep on watching. So guys, this is the rice I will be using. I won't be making much, just for me and my little family. So here is my aromat. Here I have curry, I have my onion here, a clove of garlic, fresh tomato, fresh bell pepper. I have here my paste tomato, 2 bay leaves, puree tomato. This is optional, you can decide to use olive fresh and paste or puree. And here I have my extra virgin olive oil. So guys, this is basically everything I'll be using for my jollof rice. And of course I have my beef boiling in the fire. I can decide to use chicken or whatever. So now let's get started. Adding a bit of extra virgin olive oil into my pot on fire. Next, I'm just going to add salt and throw in a lump of onion and garlic. I did the onion like this because I don't chew onion. I prefer to blend my own onion. So if you're the type that loves onion, you can dice your onion and stir fry it. So what I am pouring in now is my blended onion and pepper. Like I told you guys, I prefer to blend my onion. Next, I'll be adding my puree tomato. Now I'll be adding my tomato paste. This paste actually gives it that nice jollof color, like the orangey color. So now I'm just going to cover and leave it to steam for about 5 to 7 minutes. So this is after about 7 minutes. Now I'm going to go in with my stock cube, curry, aromat, optional if you don't have, no problem, and a little bit more salt. Stir everything together. Now I'm just going to pour in my washed rice. Note, I didn't parboil my rice before cooking. Some people prefer to parboil their rice. They are all okay, but I always prefer to put in my rice just like this. So I'm just going to mix everything together. So next step, I'm just going to pour in enough water to cook the rice, preferably my stock water. I mean the water from the meat I boiled. Now I'm going to add in more water and I'm going to cover to cook for another 20 minutes or more. So this is my rice. After about 20 minutes, it is almost ready, just for it to get dried. So here I'm just adding in a bit of butter. That is optional. To not everybody adds butter. It's your choice. So guys, 5 minutes later and my jollof rice is ready. Guys, this was very tasty. So we have come to the end of this video. I do hope you find this video helpful. Please, if you do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.